Welcome to the world of RSD Polymers, your trusted partner for specialty polymers and dispersants, a name that stands for deep expertise and consistent performance. Our diverse product portfolio includes low to medium molecular weight homopolymers, copolymers, terpolymers, polymalic acid and multipolymers of acrylic acid, maleic anhydride, sulfonated monomer, acrylamide, methacrylic acid and other specialty monomers. Engineered for performance, our polymers deliver key advantages: ease in process, reduction in costs and minimized environmental impact. Designed to perform across industries, our polymers play a vital role in a wide range of applications. Scale inhibitors in anti-scalant formulations for industrial boilers, cooling towers, thermal desalination plants and RO systems. Anti-soil redeposition aid and effective alternatives to STPP in laundry detergents. Chelating and dispersing agents in textile auxiliaries, deflocculants and grinding aid in the ceramic industry, film and spotting reduction aid in ADW and other hard surface cleaners, viscosity reduction, dispersing and stabilizing aid in mineral slurry processing like calcium carbonate wet grinding, high-performance anti-scalants in sugar evaporator formulations, anti-scalants and drilling aid in mud additives for oil field chemicals, dispersing agents for waterborne paint formulations, and anti-scalants and whiteness enhancing aid for paper manufacturing. Our production facility is strategically located at the MIDC Lote Parshuram industrial area, which has easy access to Mumbai and the Nhava Sheva port, ensuring seamless connectivity and timely global deliveries. Polymerization is carried out through both the aqueous and the solvent routes, supported by advanced automated systems. This ensures batch-to-batch consistency, precision and operational efficiency. At the core of operations, a DCS-based control system enables real-time control and centralized process management, maintaining the highest standards in manufacturing, supported by robust supply chain management and store management. Behind every product is a robust quality assurance system, equipped with advanced instruments, skilled chemists, and validated analytical methods. Our quality management system ensures safety, sustainability, and consistent global deliveries. Quality control is embedded at every stage, from raw material inspection to in-process checks and final product validation. Innovation extends beyond production. Our fully equipped application lab serves as a collaborative platform for customers, enabling joint testing, customization, and performance optimization. Here, products undergo rigorous evaluation tailored to real-world conditions. For water treatment applications, polymers are tested under various conditions for their scale inhibition performance over various scales like calcium carbonate, silica, phosphate and others. For detergents application, anti-soil redeposition, soil removal, stain removal and anti-incrustation properties of polymers are tested using advanced instruments like tumbler wash simulators and mini washing machine prototypes replicating actual laundry conditions. In ceramics, deflocculation efficiency is assessed on lab-scale pot mills, simulating industrial ball milling processes. For hard surface cleaners and ADW applications, polymers are tested for their anti-filming and anti-spotting performance in a lab-scale dishwashing model. Our in-house R&D team continuously develops innovative and customized polymer solutions for evolving industrial needs. In addition to liquid polymers, we offer polymers in granular and spray-dried powder forms, enabling easy integration into powder formulations, precise dosing and enhanced shelf life. Sustainability remains central to our operations. Strict safety and environmental protocols are designed and followed. Work is being done continuously to reduce our footprint while maintaining peak performance. At the heart of RSD Polymers is a dedicated team across R&D, manufacturing, quality and customer service, driven by expertise, passion and a shared commitment to excellence. We ensure that our product not only meets but also exceeds expectations. As we look ahead, our focus remains on continuous progress, developing new materials, expanding into new markets and building stronger partnerships, delivering performance, precision and partnership in every endeavor. RSD Polymers, your trusted partner for specialty polymers and dispersants.